Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to factory reset Amazon Alexa using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your Alexa device is plugged in and turned on. Now take your iPhone and open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now at the top, tap on plus icon. Then tap on device. Choose the Alexa device you want to reset. Scroll down on the screen until you see factory reset. Tap on it. A message will appear asking you to confirm. Tap factory reset again. Now wait for a few seconds. Your Alexa device will reset automatically. You may see an orange light which means the reset is in progress. If you cannot reset using the app, you can reset using your device itself. Press and hold the action button on the Alexa device for about 15 seconds. Keep holding until the light turns orange. Once the reset is complete, Alexa will be like a new device. You can now set it up again using your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully factory reset Amazon Alexa using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.